Opening scene: a blank whiteboard against a backdrop of energetic music. Narrator: Welcomito, a journey into the exhilarating world of sports, where passion meets perseverance and triumphs ignite the human spirit. Join us as we unravel the transformative power of sports and its profound impact on our lives. Segment 1: The Essence of Sports. 1 minute. Whiteboard fills with illustrations of different sports. Narrator: Sports transcend boundaries, cultures, and languages, uniting people in a common pursuit of excellence and camaraderie. From the thrill of competition to the bonds forged on the field, sports awaken the champion within each of us. Segment 2: Physical benefits. 2 minutes. Illustration: Scenic people engaging in various sports activities. Narrator: Engaging in sports isn't just about winning trophies, it's about nurturing our bodies and minds. Regular physical activity boosts cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles and bones, and enhances overall well-being. Whether it's running, swimming, or playing team sports, the benefits are boundless. Segment 3: Mental resilience. 2 minutes. Illustration show individuals overcoming challenges in sports. Narrator: Sports are a crucible for mental fortitude, teaching us invaluable lessons in resilience, determination, and discipline. In the face of setbacks and adversity, athletes dig deep, discovering untapped reservoirs of grit and perseverance that propel them toward greatness. Segment 4: Social connection. 5 minutes. Illustration: Scenic teams celebrating victories and supporting each other. Narrator: Beyond the playing field, sports foster meaningful connections and forge lifelong friendships. Whether it's cheering on teammates, sharing victories, or consoling in defeat, the bonds formed through sports transcend the game itself, creating a sense of belonging and community. Segment 5: Personal growth. 5 minutes. Illustration show athletes evolving and improving over time. Narrator: Sports are a journey of self-discovery, where each challenge becomes an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. Through dedication, practice, and perseverance, athletes push beyond their limits, unlocking their full potential and inspiring others to do the same. Conclusion. 1 minute. Closing scene: the whiteboard displays a montage of sports moments. Narrator: As we conclude our whiteboard journey through the world of sports, remember that the true essence of sports lies not in the final score, but in the lessons learned, the friendships forged, and the memories cherished along the way. So, lace up your shoes, grab your gear, and join the millions around the world who embrace the power of sports to enrich their lives and transform their world. End of animation.